still not completely live yet. It is still sending its data to YouTube. YouTube always lags behind a little bit. It seems to be live right now though. I'm not 100% sure if it is, so I'll just check that out real soon. But for now, welcome to the stream. I'm just checking out some things. Bear with me, guys. It's we're also live on Binance again. Yes, Binance is live now. I'm also live on YouTube. Welcome everybody from Binance. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're from. We are live on YouTube and live on Binance, and in this live stream. And it's there's an echo right now probably, which is gone now. Binance user D521A. Hi, welcome to the stream. Cavalli, welcome. Neen, welcome. I'm just yeah, everything seems to be working. Everything seems to be working for now. Live stream is doing well on YouTube, it seems. But apart from that, on Binance it's also looking good. How am I doing? I'm doing great. I'm excited for this. What we're going to be doing. Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon. It has just become afternoon for me. I will quickly share it in the Discord as well that we're live. For the people that don't know me, I am from cilinixfxcapital, a YouTube channel. Mainly based around crypto, but I also live stream on Binance. I think it's a great platform. You can join the Discord, which is down in the description of my profile on Binance, I believe. So bear with me. We're going to be live real soon. Still waiting for YouTube a little bit, checking if everything is all right, which it seems to be all right. So welcome to the stream, everybody. What we're going to be doing. Hi Moke, hi Bruce Willis, Pinkcoins, welcome. Maximus, welcome to the stream. Mandarinek, welcome to the stream, everybody. What we're going to be doing in the stream is pretty exciting, I think. We're going to be testing out a new trading strategy. So with that, I do want to say that we're going to be testing it out, right? And okay, this is not good. I cannot see my mouse anymore. All right, it's back. But we're going to be testing it out. So that means that this will be risky and I might lose some money, and I would definitely not recommend it to follow these trades. We're testing a strategy. I'm not sure if that strategy is profitable yet. So that's what we're about to find out. All right, let's see. So I am trading on Fairdesk right now, the Fairdesk exchange, which you cannot see, so you cannot follow these trades. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to show it on Binance, but you will be able to see. I will also just put it on the chart, right? So what we're going to be doing is testing a scalping strategy. So we're on the 15-minute time frame. I think that is low enough. What we're going to be doing is we're going to check that out. Aggressive investor, welcome to the stream. Welcome all new viewers. We're going to get started right away. So we're testing a strategy for the new ones, which is mainly a confluence-based strategy. So I made this new watch list on tradingview.com. So these pairs we will be trading: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Ripple, Cardano, Dogecoin, Apecoin, and Avalanche, just because they have the most volume for now. So what we're going to be starting with is we're quickly going to be charting. We're going to be charting trend lines. We're going to be charting Fibonacci's, key levels, and yeah, that's basically it. So we're going to start with that very quickly. And the main thing is what we would need to have with a trade is 3 indicators together. All right. So something like this area could be a trade for the strategy. Basically, we have to line up a trend line, an EMA, and a key level, or a Fibonacci, a key level, and an EMA, or a Fibonacci, a key level, and a trend line. whatever, doesn't matter. We have to get 3 indicators together in one spot, and then we will take the trade. So we would take this trade here at 20,161. But for now, though, we are not there yet. So I'm quickly going to be putting some indicators on some charts. And we're going to see what we will get, right? So this could be a trend line 2, which is probably not that valid. But still, we're going to be watching that for now. Ethereum, we can also cover real quick. You can see the correlation with Ethereum and Bitcoin. It is very correlated. This is not valid anymore. This seems to be valid. This seems to be valid. Let's get all the important fib levels in there really quickly. So something like this is important, but apart from that, we also got this fib level, which we will put in. You can see that that has been respected already, so we are going to respect that too. This one we could try if this is actually valid. It does seem to be valid, but not that much anymore, so we're not going to try that one. So this level, for example, could be a good buy level as well, that 1100 level, but as I said, we're going to be charting a little bit more. Senkaku, is crypto going to be bullish from now? I don't expect that to happen yet. So no, not yet, I think. In the end, we're still in a bear market, and I do think we've hit some important support levels, but I don't think it's over yet. But that's my opinion, of course. And I could definitely be wrong about that. This is not valid. We can do something like this though, I believe. That seems to be a little bit more valid. So we can do that. All right, we can also do something like this. It seems like it, at least. This trend line is a little bit too steep, so we're not going to do that. No more trend lines, no more fibs, no more EMAs. No. All right, let's get over to Ripple. So we'll get to the trading part real soon. I mean, in the end, in the stream, the main thing we're going to be doing is monitoring what's happening, right? All right, so this is a trend line. We can draw a fib all the way from down here. That's still valid. That's still valid. We can also do something like this. This is a pretty strong fib. So again, we could take this level right here, right? Because we have a key level right there. We have support. We have these Fibonacci level and these EMAs. So we also had that right here, and it was a pretty good trade. So when we come back there, we can get that again, I think. But for now, let's draw a little bit more. So something like this is not valid anymore. Cardano, let's check out Cardano. So you can see that all the charts are pretty correlated, right? Right now. So this, we're going to draw this key level right here, which seems pretty valid too, right there. Cardano is actually breaking through right now, so that's pretty interesting. All right, bear with me. It's looking pretty bullish right now. So we're going to see if we can get some sort of a resistance touch somewhere. I'm not sure if we will. This is a fib we can draw. All right, this is also something we can draw, I believe. Something like that. And then something like this. So for all the new viewers on YouTube, but also on Binance, we're going to be live testing a strategy which I came up with a couple of days ago, and it's a scalping strategy. So it's going to be very stressful, but you know, it might be worth it to test it. I think would definitely be interesting. It's basically where we're going to try to actually get a few indicators together and trading based upon those levels. All right, so we can use this, and let me know if the sound is all right. I put some music on the stream. I think that's nice, but if the sound is too loud, it's not going to be that nice, right? All right, so these will be very, very quick and short trades. You should know that. Can we get any more trend lines in here? Maybe we can do something like this. Yeah, maybe that works. Who knows? ApeCoin. So I basically picked these cryptos because they're big market cap coins, and for a strategy such as this one, you need a lot of volume. So all of these cryptos have more than 500 million in volume daily, which I think is enough for a strategy like this one. That's the main reason why I picked these cryptos. They're traded a lot, they are being bought a lot and stuff. So yeah, that's the main reason. You can see with a lot of cryptos that a buy level is starting to come up right here. You can see that there's a key level, but apart from that, you also got this trend line heading there, even though this is in a few hours. So still a long time. Maybe we can see one more trend line somewhere. All right. Something like this. Is this valid? Not really. Let's see, AVAX, which is the last crypto we will analyze, and then we will monitor these trades very closely. I hope we will get some live trades, of course. I'm not necessarily sure if we will, because we have a strategy, and that strategy is not necessarily going to change. This is looking pretty interesting though, I gotta say. That's a fib we can draw. Apart from that, we can also draw this fib right here, which seems to work. And then we can also draw something like, maybe something like this. Let's see if that actually works. It works decently, but maybe it's better to draw it from here. It seems to be working a little bit better. So again, what we can see is we need to make this green to actually make it different from other levels. I don't see any setups yet, right? Because we need 3 indicators together. So for example, you can see with AVAX that you have this key level right here and around this level. So that's great. So this could be a buy area, but it's only 2 together. So we could actually do this if it gets here. We could try that too. In the end, we're testing it out. So something like this is possible. Then we would choose just do something like this, a short trade, but it could work. So this is the first one I'm monitoring, and we're going to go over all of the cryptos again. So this one, you have a key level, but you don't have any fibs there. You don't have any EMAs there. So that's why we wouldn't take that. Let me get to the stream real quick. Binance user 9BE21. I like scalping. Yeah, I mean, it has its upsides, but it also has its downsides, of course. I mean, if this strategy works, you're going to have to do this a lot, the whole day, and that would be quite stressful. So we're just testing it out. What's up, all new viewers on Binance? It's good to have you here. I'm doing great. How are you all doing? Are you all doing good as well? So what are your cryptos where are you most excited about? It's quite interesting to see, and you'd also be able to see that from the other viewers, which would be pretty interesting. All right, so another long position, which is actually possible. See, we can draw a fib right here. This is a valid fib, going all the way up right here. So what you can see is that we're now finding support at that 0.5. But a nice trade could also be right here with that 618 fib together with the key level. As you can see, there's a support level there. And the EMA, you could do something like this. Something like this, and then like that. It's a decent risk reward. With the strategy, I'm aiming for a 1.5 risk reward. Don D, welcome to the stream from YouTube. All Binance live viewers, you can also watch the stream on YouTube. My YouTube channel is cilinixfxcapital. You can check that out if you'd like. I'm doing good, Don. How are you feeling about Bitcoin breaking above 21,000? Feeling pretty good. You can also see this on the 15 minutes. Bitcoin is looking pretty bullish. So we found resistance at 21,000 in the last hour. I think we'll break that somewhere today. But yeah, that's just my opinion. Overall, the whole crypto market looks relatively bullish for today, at least. For the next month, or for the next week, for the next month, it's going to be a little bit more difficult, I think. Jerem from Binance Live, hello, welcome. How are you doing? Buongiorno. Italian viewers as well. Anonymous user, welcome to the stream. So what we're doing is we're testing out a scalping strategy, right? So I'm just putting all the orders I would like to take on the chart right now. And in the end, we'll also do some, also refine it a little bit, what we're doing. So the main strategy at this point of time is we need, all right, let's do this. We need 3 indicators from these indicators. Yeah, trend line, key level, fib level. So if 3 of these are actually come together at one level, arguably 2, I'm also going to test out when 2 indicators come together at a level. 2 or 3 coming together at one level, then we will take the trade. So either a long trade or a short trade, depending on where it is. So for example, this is a pretty strong resistance level. It's against the trend on the 15-minute time frame, but we could actually try to get a very short position off of this level and do something like this, for example. It's a 2.24 risk reward. We could actually do that just to try it out. In the end, we are trying out and testing this strategy. I have not confirmed yet whether this strategy actually works or not, but we're testing it out. So we have that. We could actually set some sort of an alert, I think. I'm not sure where to do that anymore. Add an alert. Right there, show pop-up create. So we're going to be testing that out, and we'll also have an alert when we get around this level. All right, create. Yes. So it's a pretty messy chart for now. Bear with me. So for Ethereum, we don't have a lot for now. It's the same thing basically. If we get towards this level right here, this is a nice trade. According to the plan, we got 3 indicators coming together at that level. We got the 618 fib, but from that also the 28 EMA, and we got a normal support level around that level. As you can see, it's the 1100 psychological support level. So we could do something like this. It's a 1.3 risk reward. We could extend that all the way up to here. That would be a 2.33 risk reward. We're aiming for a 1.5 at least, but I think we could get a 2.33 from this level. So again, I'm putting an alert right there. Create, so we can take a look at Solana. For Solana right now, we don't have any trend lines coming soon. Do we have any fib levels that we can check out? So again, we can draw this latest fib, which we haven't done yet. This one. We can draw that. And what we see then is you got this 236 fib. That has a key level with it, but I don't think that's too strong. What we do have, which is a little bit too stronger, is this level. We got a support level. We got 2 fibs there. So we're also testing out some places where only 2 indicators come together, 2 different ones, but which are still considered pretty strong. So this could be a trade as well. We are going to again put another alert there. And welcome new viewers, by the way. How are you all doing on YouTube and also on Binance? We're live on Binance. We're testing out a scalping strategy on the 15-minute time frame on some of the most traded cryptos. These are all of them: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, Apecoin, and Avalanche. If you're watching on Binance, you can also watch us live on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, which is cilinixfxcapital. We can check that out real quick. Posting daily analysis and altogether crypto videos. So if you want to check that out, you're more than welcome. As you can see, pretty active. So this is everything I have on Solana for now with the strategy, because up here you can see that there's not a lot of resistance levels coming together. We got this level right here at around $35, but we don't have any Fibonacci levels there. So we're not going to take that. Tony Richard, welcome to the stream. Can you please do XRP? Well, we're in the middle of testing out a strategy, but XRP we can check out. It's the next one, but this will be on the short term, and we're testing out a strategy. So I believe yesterday I did an analysis on the channel on XRP, which was a little bit more long term, I think, or not long term, but at least for the next week. Is XRP going to do it like Litecoin? I'm not sure. Litecoin was pretty strong yesterday. And XRP, I believe I was pretty bullish on that in the analysis. But what we see for XRP right now, if we're just charting this on the 15-minute time frame, I mean, this is basically scalping, right? So there's not a lot we can say. But you can see on the 15-minute time frame that we've just crossed above the 200 EMA. So we are going up. The main resistance level we're looking at probably is around 34 cents and 34.5 cents. And we would need to break that within the next couple of days. But I do see that as a possibility, definitely within the next 3 days or something. So what we see for XRP is we actually got a trade coming up pretty soon. You can see that we have a small support level right here. So what we could actually do is we could go long from this level here at 32 cents. Put the take profit right here. Stop loss right here under the level, and we would have a 2.0 risk reward. So again, I'm going to put an alert there, which hopefully I am getting. I'm just assuming that I will get those in the notifications. Apart from that, there's not really another level which we can take on XRP for now. It looks like, at least. See, there's not a lot right there. No EMAs above the price. We got that key level. But apart from that, there's not a lot there, so. All right. Domino Medic, welcome to the stream. Ayub Wolf, welcome to the stream. All the new Binance viewers, all welcome to the stream. It's good to have you here. We're testing out a scalping strategy on the 15-minute time frame based on confluences. So basically, if different indicators come together at one specific level. We're trading on a Fairdesk exchange, which if you want to sign up and get a nice bonus, the link is down in the description of my YouTube videos. I made a special account on that with limited capital just to try this out. That's why I'm using that. Let's quickly check that out. We haven't hit anything yet. No price targets hit. You can see that Solana is pretty bullish, but we don't have any sell limits above there. We can check out Cardano real quick. Maybe at Cardano we have a little bit more. You can see this level around 50 cents and 50.5 cents. That's an area of interest, right? We got this key level and this level coming together. So we might actually trade something like this. 50 cents is a big psychological resistance level. So if we could get something like this, what would we need for a 1.5 risk reward? Something like this. I will consider taking this. So we are looking at areas where 3 indicators come together, but depending on the strength of certain indicators, we might also take 2 together. So I would still need to define the specific rules of the strategy, because in the end, you cannot do it like this. You cannot say sometimes I will take 2 indicators together, sometimes I will take 3 together. That's just not how trading a strategy works, right? And you all know that too. But for now, we're just testing it out to see if 2 confluences together also works. And arguably, you got 3 here together. You got that fib above there. But apart from that, you also got the key level and a psychological key level, which you could consider as a different indicator or another one. So I'm going to put that alert right there. All right. And we're going to see if we can actually take a long trade, which it does look like we can actually take that. We got this trend line coming up right there. Apart from that, also some fib levels, but not really relevant fib levels. So maybe we can draw this fib right here. And then you can actually see that we kind of already took that break retest, but I still think it's valid. I still think we can take a trade off of 4870. Take the stop loss right there. And we would have a 1.5 risk reward already if we would take it right here, 1.75. So I'm also going to put an alert right there. Which I am banking on it, that those alerts actually work. If they don't work, it's not that great. I do think they will work though. I do think they will work. All right, let's see if we're still doing okay. It does look like we're still doing okay. How are you all doing, guys? Welcome all new YouTube viewers too. It's good to have you with us. I know if you've been here from the beginning, I know I've repeated myself quite a lot of times, but we are testing out a scalping strategy on the 15-minute time frame with some of the most traded cryptos. You can pause the video right here if you want to see that. This is the main strategy. 3 of these indicators, or 2, between 2 or 3, have to come together at a level, and we're just testing out what works. We're testing the strategy, we're not trading it. Well, we are trading it with real money, I am at least. I wouldn't advise you to do the same thing, because we're testing it. But still, alright, Dogecoin. What do we have with Dogecoin for now? We can draw some key levels right about here. But also a smaller one around here. And a minor one around here. So let's actually drag those to the chart. All right, what do we have? Like right here, you got 2 fips coming together at that level. So we could have taken that. Because that, like, we're testing out with two indicators too. So for example, if 2 different Fibonacci levels come together, I would count that as 2 indicators for now, because we are testing out that strategy. I'm not sure if it works, but apart from that, we also got the key level right there. So that's why this would have been an interesting trade. But because we already got a touch off of that level, I'm not taking it again. We have to get that first touch. And with Cardano, it's a little bit different, because obviously we, and it's dropping right now, so it could be interesting. Okay, it's dropping pretty hard. Are all cryptos dropping? Because then we might see some of these alerts being triggered. Cardano is the one closest to us. See, something that would work with Dogecoin, I think, is if we can pair up at this level right here. If we can get this level, that would be a nice trade. So that is something I am waiting for, but I'm not expecting that soon. Just to be honest with you all, I'm not expecting that soon. ApeCoin, we don't have a lot on that for now. It's now at this resistance level, kind of the same as Dogecoin, right? We got this small key level right here. We also got this key level. So nothing major happening with ApeCoin. We could take a look at this level. Because it's a key level, we got that EMA and a Fibonacci level. So we could do something like this. That's a valid trade, so I'm putting a alert right here as well, but we don't have any short trades for now. We don't see that. AFAX is doing pretty well. You can see that we could have taken, well, there's no trade that the strategy would have told us to take. And there's no resistance level up here, which we can take. So for AFAX, it's a little bit quiet, to be honest, for now. So now we're going to now we have to monitor all these prices and see if any alerts are being hit. So in the meanwhile, I'm quickly going to check out the stream, see if everything is still all right. How are you all doing? Anton, welcome to the stream. Servus, you're from Austria, I suppose then. Welcome. I believe so. I mean, I've been to Austria quite a couple of times, and I think that's the Austrian version of saying hello, right? Please correct me if I'm wrong. All right. Let's see. Nothing has been hit yet. I think Bitcoin is coming up to that level. We will short that level around 20,760. For now, we are placing market orders. So if we get a very quick touch, and it drops down, we're not taking it anymore. This video is mainly around testing the strategy. So if we're not entering it, I mean, this video is less about making some real money. There's nothing up here for Ethereum yet. This level might be interesting, but those fibs are a little bit too far away from now. Tony Richards, yes, I'm from the Netherlands. It's a tough accent to get rid of. All right, let's see with Solana. Solana is pretty bullish too. We got that move in the last 15 minutes, as you can see, up to 35.5. I was in a short with Solana. I wasn't this short. I entered right here and I rode it towards this level, and I got out at this level. So that was a pretty nice trade, but that is from a different strategy, because most of the times I'm mainly a intraday trader, and this is scalping, something very, very different. All right, nothing major happening with Cardano, nothing major with Ripple for now. See, Dogecoin, this would have been a nice trade, because we would have actually, I don't know, we would have taken something like this, I think. Something like this, I think would have fitted in our strategy. So we're going to see if that actually hits or not. But it's always easier to, of course, plan trades after they already happened. Echo Trading Group, welcome to the stream. Good to have you here. All right, let's see. So nothing major happening for now. No price alerts being hit. No, not a lot happening for now. The closest ones right now are Bitcoin, or is Bitcoin, and we have a long trade for Cardano, and also a short trade coming up a little bit above there. Dogecoin, nothing major happening. Apecoin, I don't see any resistance levels we can short. No, nothing with Avalanche either. Avalanche is not looking that volatile for now, so we might have to take a look at other ones more. So Bitcoin is coming towards our level right here. Very tight stop loss, as you can see. We would be shorting it around 20,770, just to be precise. All right, Ethereum, nothing major happening for now. Solana, nothing major happening. All right. I do have everything set up for now. I'm just going to put all of these cryptos in my favorites on the exchange I'm using to trade. Just so I can reach them more easily. I believe I have everything right now. Do I have Apecoin too? Nope. All right, let's see. Apecoin 2. Yeah. All right, let's see if everything is still going all right. It does seem to be working all still. How are you all doing, new viewers? Welcome everybody from Binance Live too. Mr. Hi, welcome. Sentinel, welcome. Welcome all to the stream. It's good to have you here. Almost at 1,000 views in total on Binance Live, so that's great. So everybody watching from Binance Live, I mainly have a YouTube channel. So if you want to check that out, it's the same name of the Binance Live channel. It's cilinixfxcapital. I'm live there too, so you can check that out. I see the live chat a little bit faster on YouTube, just because I got it next to me. So yeah. All right, price is moving a little bit. We can see that Bitcoin did not touch that level yet. We're rejecting a little bit. A little bit. So nothing major happening with Ethereum either. Ethereum is just struggling with this level around 1135 for now. Solana pretty bullish. It's trying to break above that top we made last night at 35.39. I might actually test this strategy too on the 5-minute time frame. soon, so keep an eye out for that. Best way to do that is join the Discord. It's a link down in the description of the YouTube live stream, but it's also in my Binance live profile. So if you want to check that out, I think it's quite valuable. It's I'm very active in the Discord. At least usually I am. This weekend was a little bit less. It was a busy weekend. All right, nothing major happening with Solana. So XRP is pretty bullish, or at least on the 15-minute time frame. So yeah, there's really nothing we can short on this. I mean, we already shorted from this level here at 32.5 cents. Something we could take a look at is something like this. So I'm just going to draw this one out. All right. Alert on Bitcoin. All right, we do see it. Okay, it's getting close. Bitcoin is getting close to our level. If we actually reach that level at around 20,750, we're going to enter that trade. So I'm quickly going to... oh, I cannot see my cursor anymore, which is a bad thing. All right, limit order on Bitcoin at 20,750 it was, right? I'm just going to check it out myself. Don't worry. 20,760. Wow, we actually hit that level already. We're pretty late. I'm still going to put that in. Just because. I don't know why. It's open at 20,760. All right. Let's see. So you can see that we already rejected off that a little bit, right? So we are reacting to that level. I just think that we can get more of a rejection than this, even though it's against the trend. I mean, let's be honest with each other. It's a risky trade. Testing this whole strategy is pretty risky. But this is a risky trade too, because we have already reached 21,000, rejected off of that, and I do expect that somewhere today we'll actually test 21,000 again, and I think we got a good chance at actually breaking through. So this is a very risky trade. That's why it's pretty tight. If that stop loss gets hit, it's all right. If we get that take profit, it's a quick trade. It's a 2.0 risk reward, but sometimes you have to do it with that. This stop loss is actually, and maybe I should have put it a little bit higher actually, I think. But we're learning with each other, of course. All right. So what were we doing before that again? We were checking out XRP, I believe. Seeing if we could actually bring something like this into the mix. No, then the fib is still around here. That's tough. I hoped that we could actually get some sort of a fib with that trend line right here or something. But again, I mean, this key level is still not at that level. We have a key level right here, which also doesn't line up. So we cannot short XRP for now. You could do a very risky, if it hits within the next half an hour, you could actually short. You could actually do something like this, but I think that's unlikely. Do something like this. That risk reward isn't great, so I would stay out of that altogether if I were trading this strategy. We're still testing it now, so nothing major happening. Nothing major happening for now. Quickly checking out stream. Seems to be the bit rate is a little bit low. Some problems with the internet, probably. All right, Bitcoin is moving up. We are actually in the position. Let's see how it's doing. Yeah, so we went through that. That stop loss is being hit. That stop loss was at 20,830. It might actually not be hit on my exchange. Let's see. No, it wasn't hit on my exchange yet. So we're still in that trade, but I think it's going to get taken out real quick. All right, but for the stream, let's just say that this was a failed trade. All right, let's just say that this was a stop loss. We got a very small reaction off of it. Right here, we got a very small reaction. We dropped down from 20,750 to 20,700. So I am going to write that down because we might need a wider stop loss. Or you should not trade against the trend on the 15-minute time frame unless you got 3 confluences. Those are some notes we could actually think about. And you can actually see that we took a break retest on the 1-minute time frame, at least for now. It's pretty interesting, I gotta say. I love trading, so yeah. Let's see, no other levels are being hit. I wouldn't take this level here at Solana. No, I wouldn't. And it's looking pretty positive altogether for the crypto market. We're getting some strength back. Cardano is actually nearing this level we have at around 50 cents. And we get a stop loss at 50.50. So I am going to be trading that. Just quickly going to put that in. All right, let's see. Take profit, stop loss. I'm going to put a stop loss at around, what was it? Yeah, 50.52. All right, let's see. Yeah, seems about right. So we put that order in already, so we don't really need that price alert anymore, but still I would like to be reminded of that. So Bitcoin actually dropping a little bit. So as I said, the stop loss wasn't hit on my exchange. So I'm still in this trade. I'm entering with very small positions though, so nothing major happening for now. All right. Welcome Pollock Air, welcome to the stream. Nitin, welcome to the stream. Farman Bulolo, welcome to the stream. Good to have you all here. We're testing out a live scalping strategy, which I'm not sure how long I'm going to do this for anymore. We might actually continue this in another stream later on. Not today, maybe tomorrow. So you can see that initial thing was a little bit high. We went up all the way to this 20,900 level. Then drop down a little bit more, but you can see that it's a valid resistance level. So maybe we should have just put the stop loss a little bit higher. I mean, if we put the stop loss right here and we would aim for a 1.5, it wouldn't have been a valid trade. Just a note to self. All right, let's see. The trade has an ROE of 2% already on Fairdesk, which is decent. It's not that great. Nothing big happening with any other cryptos. Oh, it's dropping down quite hard now. That's nice. All right, we're going to follow that. So it is dropping now. Take profit at 20,600. Quickly going to put that in. Yeah, all right. Let's see. So I'm probably going to do this on Bybit soon, because the exchange I'm doing it on right now, it's pretty hard to set a good stop loss. Ethereum, let's see what Ethereum is doing. It's still pretty strong. Solana looking strong too. On the 15-minute time frame at least, we broke above the previous local top we made. XRP rejecting again off of that level around 32.5 cents, which was kind of to be expected. It's a strong resistance level, but I do think we'll break that soon. Cardano, we are dropping down pretty hard. If we're going to drop down all the way to 49 cents or 49.15 cents, I'm probably going to be deleting this sell order. Just because we got quite a big touch then out of it already. What we could do with Dogecoin, ooh, actually, with Dogecoin we could take a break retest off of this level. And do something like this. Wow. Yeah, I am going to do that. It's 3 indicators. You get the 6 cents. You get 2 different fips. It's a key level. That's all we need for now. We have already kind of hit that, but it's still valid if the candle hasn't closed yet. I think. So that's 0.0602. 0.0602. 0.0602. All right. It's a buy limit. We're going to put in that much. Let's see. All right, we put the order in. Bitcoin is doing decent, not that well. All right. So this is another trade. This Dogecoin. We're going to delete this one. So we haven't hit that. If we actually get above to that 6.1, 6.15 level already, we're going to delete this again, because then the main move is already out of the level. Because arguably we already took a break retest and I was a little bit late. Gotta be honest with that. Oh, let's see. Where did I get this one from? Right here, right? Yeah. Okay. Kind of the same is happening with ApeCoin. We could take a break retest off of that level, as you can see. Pretty valid, pretty valid. It's just, what would you do? Would you then take a long trade off of 4.3 or off of 4.27? I think 4.27. So we are going to take that too, or at least we're going to try to take that if we actually reach that level, which we're not sure if it will, right? Something like this, 1.6 risk reward. We're aiming for a 1.5 risk reward. Welcome all new streamers, by the way, on Binance Live and on YouTube. It's good to have you here. 4.269. I'm going to put that in real quick. And I forgot it already, so that's a long limit, which I am going to plug in right now. 4.197 is a stop loss. And I would definitely not advise you to take these trades as well. We are testing a strategy, which is always very risky. Very, very risky. Okay, we opened, or at least we put the position in. Bitcoin trade is not going our way. I mean, that was very risky too. We haven't hit the stop loss that second time. I already consider this trade as lost, because we technically hit that stop loss. I just didn't on the exchange I'm trading on. It was a little bit lower, so we're waiting for that real quick. Yeah, I think this is going to hit stop loss. There's nothing bad about that. I mean, I end up losing like $2 with that then. Ethereum still looking pretty bullish. Solana, nothing major happening for now. XRP trying to break through that 32.5 cent level. Cardano, very risky sell right there at 50 cents, but it's just a major psychological resistance level. 50 cents was always respected quite a lot with Cardano throughout the last weeks, to be honest. So I am going to let that stay there. It's a 1.5 risk reward. That's what we're looking for. It's getting there. The sound of that alert though is a little bit annoying, and it freaked me out a little bit the last time it happened. But we will hear that. Until that time, let's actually check out. Let's check out Binance too. Oh yeah, that was the see, it freaked me out again. But we actually hit that on Cardano. So let's see, have we entered that trade already? No, we haven't touched 50 cents yet, but it does look like we're hitting that soon. So it's a little bit more risky because you can see that we already took a resistance touch of 49.80. So let's see. Oh, all right. I cannot see my mouse again. Yeah, I can see it now. So Cardano, it's not yet. Oh, it's actually online already. Bitcoin hit stop loss, I think. All right. So on my exchange, we actually hit this already, and we're now above 50 cents. I believe so, at least. Yeah. I'm not sure why. Though. At the exchange I'm trading on, we're at 50 cents right now. Which, yeah. All right. All right. So, but we can follow it better here. This is the Binance chart, of course. We are reacting to it a little bit. The take profit might be a little bit far down, just to be honest. I think we'll get some resistance off of 50 cents, but whether I think it's going to be this strong, it's a bit risky. But we're just testing out the strategy now, right? So nothing to lose. Yeah, my exchange is also in profit now, so that's good. No stress. Aspexter on Binance Live, welcome. Hi, how are you doing? All right. Yeah, so it's getting back up there again, but I did put the stop loss all the way at 50.52 because this whole area is just a level of a lot of resistance. So all right, let's see. No, nothing major happening. I mean, Cardano, this might take some time, right? We're on the 15-minute time frame, so it is still scalping, I believe. But there are definitely lower time frames where we could do this on. So we still have time for that Cardano trade to actually come down. For Bitcoin now, though, this was a stop loss. And it's now trying to actually break through that level around 21,000. Which is, I mean, just without the strategy, if we're just talking about crypto in general, it's a great thing that we're trying to get out of 21,000 with Bitcoin. Because overall the market is pretty bullish today, I'd say, relative to the last 2 days at least. Got some nice gainers today in the top 500. Yeah, I mean, Anchor Protocol is still pretty bullish. Render token had a great day yesterday, and apart from that, some other cryptos too. So not too bad. Obviously, we are testing a strategy right now, but I also do just some random crypto streams, which my next stream will probably be a random crypto stream. So if you want to check that out, make sure to subscribe to me on YouTube. It's cilinixfxcapital. But you can also follow me on Binance Live. You can join the Discord just to be updated on all those kind of things. Discord link is down in the description on YouTube. It's at my profile on Binance Live. So let's see, nothing major happening with Solana, XRP, no. Cardano, we're still struggling with that resistance level. You can see on the 5 minutes that we have rejected off that a little bit. Not too much though. Dogecoin. Oh, okay. So Dogecoin, we might actually have to put that up here. If we break above this level, which, but I'm going to end the stream soon because we have already been streaming for almost an hour. If we get above that 618, you can take the break retest, because then we have a key level, a Fibonacci level, and we're following the trend, which I'm kind of in my head, I'm setting up new rules for the strategy. And I'm thinking that if we got the trend with us, like right now, you could actually extend that up towards 6.08. So I'm going to do that. $6.08 for means, oh, are we hitting it? I am going to put an alert there, just for the adrenaline. I think that's going to hit. So we're just going to stay around for that trade, see what that's doing. We have closed above that on the 15 minute. It's going to be interesting. Trading a new strategy is always pretty interesting. Ethereum, nothing major happening. Solana, nothing major happening. XRP, nothing happening. So yeah, you can see Cardano on this chart on my exchange. It's lagging behind a little bit, I got to say, because at my exchange it's still at 50 cents, while right here we're at 4,980. But this is looking to be a pretty good, decent trade, at least for now. Trade isn't over. Risk reward isn't great. We got a 1.5 risk reward. I mean, I would love to see that Dogecoin hit. That would be a great risk reward, and I think this is a decent risk too to take. Alright, ApeCoin, nothing big happening. No. Okay, Dogecoin hit it. Have we actually hit the level? Not yet. Now we have, probably. Yeah, we hit that. So, I'm going to see what it does. Cardano for now, it's up in profit a little bit. As you can see, it's going down, but we have to stick to the rules. We have to at least get a 1.5 risk reward. Cardano is a 1.5. I'm not going to close this earlier. We have to be honest about testing this. Strategy. So why not do it? Furkan, welcome to the stream. Bong Valera, welcome to the stream on YouTube. Welcome all new Binance Live viewers as well. Bong, I will check out Bitgert Bryce at the end of the stream, I think, because we are testing a strategy live for now. This is a trade we've taken, and this is a trade we're in right now. Dogecoin long, which is in a little bit of drawdown, and it's actually not even open on my other exchange, which is not great if it goes up, obviously. It's really close though. Really close to hitting, but we haven't hit it yet, so not great. These are the two trades we're in right now. Doing pretty well. ApeCoin, I'm not going to move this up like I did with Dogecoin. I don't feel that confident in the 4.3 level. I'm not feeling that confident about it. Ape, let's see, AVAX, XRP. I'm not really taking suggestions right now with the stream, guys. I'm sorry, but this is more of a scalping check, which we're just testing out a strategy. I mean, FTM, I covered that last time. I think it's just the same as other cryptos right now. It's pretty bullish. As you can see, we're going up. If we just take a quick look at the 7-day, we should just close above 25 cents. That's a strong resistance level. If we close above 25 cents, we could reach, I don't know, probably up to 30 cents. That level, 28, 30 cents, something like this. You have a long trade no on FTM. Well, the main thing is, if we break above $25, we can actually continue that. And with SHIB, I'm not sure what SHIB is doing. It's probably up a little. SHIB is at this resistance at 830. Which I'm not sure what's going to happen. I mean, what's happening right now, just to cover it real quick, is the whole crypto market is relatively bullish today, and most cryptos are at quite a strong resistance level. If that resistance level breaks, so if, for example, 21,000 breaks for Bitcoin, that's the main resistance level for Bitcoin, and if for Ethereum is already breaking through resistance levels. Solana broke through $35, XRP is trying to do something, Cardano is trying to break through 50 cents. So that's all very close. If those breakouts come, the market is that correlated that FTM and Shiba are probably also going to move up. And probably FTM is going to move up a little bit more because of the idea behind the project, right? Both have great communities, but FTM is more of a normal, decent project, and SHIB still, unfortunately, is some sort of a meme coin. Just to be honest. Doge, it must have hit my level by now, right? Yes, it did. So Doge is down a little bit. Cardano is up a little bit, at least in profit for us. It's the inverse thing for the price, of course. And Bitcoin price. Actually, haven't heard of this project that much. So what is it real soon? BNB chain. I'm not sure about this now. I would really need to research it a little bit more. So I'll probably do that soon and give you some answer in the next stream or on the Discord or something. But I cannot open it that quick. I'm sorry to interrupt you, but do you think there would be a pullback when the market opens? So I'm assuming you mean the US market, right? Because the markets here in Europe are already open, and if we check that out, usually that's correlated. S&P, if we check that out right now, and it's no problem, no. So this was still from Friday, right? 17th of June was Friday. So then it was up a little bit, but if we check out the, well, let's say the Dutch stock exchange. This was today, it's up a little bit. We dropped down. As you can see that we're up about 0.36. If we check out the German stock exchange, it's up about 0.40%. If we check the Euro Stocks 50 index, I have some stocks too, guys, and I know some decent things to look at. You can see that it's up about 0.5%. So, and I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion, but I think, and also a little bit of what I expect. I expect the S&P and Nasdaq to open up a little bit higher too. I don't expect it to open with huge gains. I do expect it to open up a little bit higher. So what I expect then is that at this point of time, unfortunately, crypto and stocks are pretty correlated. So I don't expect that we'll pull back with crypto. I'm not sure if we'll get a bull move either, because it's a very small gain we made on the European stock exchanges. But we could get a small gain with crypto. It could be just enough to get that breakout. And if for Cardano we break above 50.5 cents, and with Bitcoin we break above 21.5 cents, and with we could actually get some decent moves then throughout the day. I'm not sure if it will stick around for the rest of the week, but throughout the day we could actually get that. All right, I think I'm going to end the stream here, guys. So we haven't completed these scalps yet, but you can check that out if you want to. I'll probably also post it on Discord, so if you want to join that, it's down in the description on YouTube. It is at my profile on Binance Live. I want to thank you all for the input. I want to thank you all for being here, for watching and listening. I found it a lot of fun. I hope to see you all back. If you want to follow me on YouTube at cilinixfxcapital. You can also follow me on Binance Live. Everybody watching there, you can just click my profile. So yeah, I really enjoyed it. I will post the results of these last 2 trades we have on Dogecoin and Cardano. As I said, on the Discord channel, we got this one running, and we have this one running. So we'll post about that. But for now, I want to thank you all for being here. I want to wish you all a very nice rest of the day.